Errors or mistakes are part of the human journey, but what we can do is to learn from the mistakes that we do and not be shy of it. And that is why here at Sementia Farm, we are so transparent in making sure that the next generation doesn't repeat the mistakes that we do. As you guys can see, I am here at the farm, and today I want to be open and share with you guys one mistake that we did when constructing our goat pen. So stay along with this video because it is going to cost you money and you don't want to make that mistake as I take you through what the mistakes were, what are the causes of it, and what we are doing different about it. So someday, even if not today, you decide to construct your own goat pen, you'll be able to learn from the mistakes that we have done. So come along with me and let me take you to the goat pen. But before I do that, we got to get these guys back into their pen as well. So come along and let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Aye. Aye. Let's go. All right, so let me take you guys inside, as I said, and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So come on in. So when we constructed the pen, I had this idea of efficiency, and basically what I mean by that is I wanted to create a feed lot that the guys here will be able to feed directly from here, and then the guys on the other side could also be able to feed. Because at this stage, I knew exactly what I was going to feed them, which is the brachiaria grass, right? And I know that it's chopped into pieces in a way that when they pick it, they'll be able to easily take it away from here. So what I did was to put this 2x4 here and then put down a board. A board is basically 1 by 12 inches, right? And then put the same thing on the other side. And then I put this counter metals on top of it. What does that do? Sorry, we're going to disturb you a little bit. But what that does is that when you put the food in here, if this lady here can be able to feed directly from here. And that's how they eat, and then the other guys are able to do that. It was an excellent idea. I really enjoy it. I am still enjoy it. But little did I know that this is not gonna last. And come and let me show you why I think it was a big mistake. That being said, it doesn't mean that, you know, you can't do it. You can definitely do it, but this is what I encountered, and I wanna show you guys as well. So come on in. All right, those Kalaharis are just having fun. They are eating their corn. But what literally happened is that the goats like to scratch their body, right? When they get itchy, they want to scratch themselves. So what they do is they scratch themselves to the point that it all went inside and then finally started breaking, right? And then I also realized that it started rusting. So that was a whole other issue as well. So it wasn't strong anymore. And the more they squeeze themselves and try to scratch themselves over it, it just gets broken. So all of it is broken. You can see that this, we had to actually support it with something. This side is also all broken, right? The idea is good. The concept is good. What you guys can do if you want to repeat the same thing that I did here is maybe still to put a lot of wood, you know, inside, so that you make it stronger, so that as they scratch themselves over it, it doesn't go inside. But if you just leave it like I did on the other side, then what is going to happen is you're going to face this same problem. This was a galvanized net, so I don't know why it's rusting. I don't know whether it got in contact with water, what the problem really is, but it's definitely rusting. So I wouldn't advise you to use this same governance water. I'm sharing this with you guys because I showed you when I did it, and I know most of you probably are thinking about doing the same thing. So I need to update you guys on the outcome of it so that you can make, you know, you don't have to repeat the same mistakes, because, you know, if I'm doing it again, I'm not gonna use this net, even though I like the concept of it, right? I mean, not all of it. Hi there. I hope this video has been educative and fun for you to watch. Thank you so much for watching this video. But I have a quick question for you. If today is your first time, welcome to the Semenshia family. But if this is your second, third, or fourth video, my question is, why haven't you joined our family? Please go ahead and hit the subscription button, and don't forget to also like this video so that we can grow this family that is on a journey to change the narrative of farming in Africa. Here I have one Savannah, right? I have one Kalahari goat, and it is okay, you know, it is not broken. So it also depends on the number of goats and pressure that you put it on. But you can definitely see that it has rusted and it's already bent in. That means they are still scratching their body with it, which tells you that this is also going to break. So it doesn't have a long term. Let me show you guys what I'm doing different this time. So let's go to the Boer goats. Let me show you guys in a minute. So basically this is what we've done here, which is using wood, but also creating a big loop for them to eat directly from the wood, right? So we basically put a board, pull one by it, and put another one by it. Because we are not putting any powder or grounded food, it's okay because the grass is not going to fall. If you're putting like powder, grounded food, then this wood, there might be spacing and you might not be able to hold it. As you guys can see, we put our grounded food here. So this is okay for like powder or anything like that. But for hay, you can definitely use this. We found this to be effective. The only challenge with this is because we haven't blocked it, they still fight each other. But on the other side, you can see that we have woods crossing it. That means that if you put your head there, you are not able to fight anyone. You just eat what is in front of you. So this is the new way that we are trying. So far, so good. It seems to be working perfectly. But I'm still, you know, I'm still trying it out, but I know the net didn't work for me. Hopefully this works better for me. The net was able to take more food than this, but obviously we always have food in this farm, so I'm not worried at all in terms of, you know, either they will have enough to eat or not. But so far, this is the mistake that I did. This is what I've learned from it, and I hope it's helpful. The goal for this channel is to be able to share with you guys both what I'm doing and what works, what doesn't work, so that you guys can learn from it and make the right decision, because there's no point in repeating the mistakes that I have done, right, and losing your money. So I hope you like this. Comment below if you have any feedback, any comments that you have. I'm happy to read it. So go ahead and do that. Thank you.